Welcome back. So we're going to be doing RootMe today on Aircrack-ng. Yeah, I haven't done this room in a while. Did it yesterday and forgot to press record on the stream. So we're going to do it again today. So let's see here. Let's go ahead and we already got the machine started up. Go ahead and grab that IP address. We'll go ahead and run an mmap scan on that IP address. Okay, and we have obviously all ports, do not ping, very verbose, timing at 4, no DNS lookup, and then the IP address. And it looks like we got 22 and 80. Alright, awesome. Go ahead and check out that port 80 right there. And it says root at RootMe. Can you root me? Let's find out. Let's go ahead and run a Python real quick with him. Dirbuster. So Python 3 dir search is the one that I like to use. I'm just running comma.txt at it right now. And we'll go ahead and let that guy run through. And we'll also go ahead and we'll run a spider attack on it, I guess. Or a zap attack on it. We'll see if we get anything with this. Got some alerts already. Application error disclosure. X-frame settings. So could be susceptible to clickjacking. Application error disclosure. Directory browsing is possible to view directory listings. Alright, where's that at? Parent directory. So we got JS and our CSS like right here. Doesn't look like there's much in there yet. Let's go ahead and spider this site, see if we get anything. We'll attack him and we'll run a spider on him. So we're getting a couple more things here. We have a home and then a panel CSS. So I'm wondering if there's like a slash home slash panel, anything like that in here. We can try those two for a slash home and slash panel. We do need to be running some JavaScript here. So I want to try that like a slash home slash panel. What's this? Index of CSS. Okay. Let's go ahead and try that slash home and slash panel. See if we get anything with that. We'll do slash home. Nothing there, not found. Okay, let's try slash panel. No, we did find something. Alright, select a file to upload. Will do. Let's go ahead and get a reverse shell going here. So let's make a directory. Let's make directory and desktop try hack me root me. Let's do it like that. Or CD and then desktop try hack me root me. Like I said, I did do this box the other day. We're going to go ahead and remove that. And let's go ahead and copy over a reverse shell into here. And we'll move that reverse shell into just like a shell.php. And let's go ahead and cat that. And we'll check out our IP address. Let's see if those two are adding up. 10.98.166. Let's go ahead and see. 10.98.166 port 4444. Let's go ahead and listen on that. Alright, so we start that up, and let's go ahead and try to upload this reverse shell here. So we'll go to try hack me. It was under RootMe, right? There we go, and shell.php. Upload. And doesn't look like it's permitted. Alright, that's okay. Go ahead and upload a. So we'll move that shell.php to a shell.php.jpg. And we'll try to intercept the request as it comes through, and we'll change it back to PHP. Usually that works. So let's go ahead and try to do that. And let me get Burp Suite up and running here. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's already up and running. And let's go ahead and try to intercept that as it goes through. So let's go ahead and upload it. And we intercepted that right. So let's go ahead and drop off this JPG like right here. Just upload it as a PHP. forward that off. Forward. And okay. Alright, realize that what we were trying to do. Let's go ahead and just try to just send it a JPG. See if it, okay, so it took that, cool. Where to take it to? Upload shell PHP JPEG, easy. Can't display because it contains errors, that's okay. Go ahead and just delete the rest of this stuff. Enter on that, and can't display because it contains errors, and nothing over here. And there's our panel, by the way, now. Finally got to that panel down here also. So it's saying it contains errors. So we can't upload. So let's go ahead and look up PHP, reverse shell upload PHP bypass. File upload tags, PHP reverse shell. Let's see here, we got anything in here? Okay, we got our, so it's saying make it a GIF or GIF, whatever you want to call it. We also have how to bypass file upload restrictions. And we got PHT, PHTML, PHP3, PHP4. Let's try PHP3, let's see if that works. I don't know if this is going to work or not, so you guys know, so bear with me here. So we'll do a move shell like that to a shell1.php3. Let's try that. And we'll go ahead and re-upload that into the server. Shell1 PHP3. That did work. But I didn't get anything back. 10.98.166. Okay, so shell1.php, it worked, but can't spawn shell. Alright, let's make it shell1.php. Let's do shell1.php. So move shell1 to shell.php. Try that. We'll try to upload that guy. Right now we're just trying different things because we are able to upload stuff. We are getting there. We're just not able to get that reverse shell yet. Now that guy's hanging. There we go. Okay, cool. So ID, LS-LA. Let's go into a CD back. And let's go ahead. I want a CD in a var www. See if we got our user. Yep, user.text like right there. Awesome. Alright, exit out here, and let's go ahead and see what kind of SUID bits we have set. See if we can find anything like that. So we'll cat scripts SUID lookup. Alright, and we'll just wait for that guy to run. See if we can get anything with that. See if we can get any type of privileges, escalation, anything like that. It's taking a minute to run though. So hopefully we didn't break it. So here's how to bypass different filters, things like that. Alright, awesome. So let's start a run. Usually been Python stands out at me pretty quickly. So I think I actually have a script for that. Cat scripts. Let's see, I think I already have a reverse Python, web PHP, get reverse shell. Pretty sure I have a script for this. It might actually be in my full shell scripts. All honesty. Unless you look at my full shell script, it might be in there. Privilege escalation with Python 2.7. So let's go ahead and CD in a user bin. And we'll just grab this, we'll just do a Python taxi import OS. We'll just grab all that. And we could also look up on GTFO bins. Most likely it says the same exact thing. And we are root. Awesome. So let's go ahead and grab this guy right here. Alright, cool. We're running as root now. CD in the root. ls-LA. And we see that we have root.text. Cool. Awesome. So, if you didn't know that Python was a weird SUID bit, right, what could you do? Well, we could always go into our CD privilege escalation on script limpies and start a Python server, right? And then from up here, we can CD the temp. Actually, you know what, let's go ahead and exit. There we go. So I'm back to www data. Go to CD temp. And then do a wget 10.9.8.166 8888/limpies.sh. Alright, we can go ahead and change mode to make that executable for limpies. We go ahead and run this. And Python should be red and yellow, or the red and gold, however you want to call it. Should be that. No weird ports on here like MySQL or anything like that. So haven't seen that Python guy yet. So we'll just wait for this guy to run, and then that should give us what we need to do everything. Yep, nothing on here yet. It's taking a minute, but that's okay. We just actually start looking at these questions while he's actually doing this. Because there's quite a few questions in here. If you go to RootMe, constants, scan the machine, how many ports are open. There was 2 ports open. Apache is 2.4.29. SSH was run on port 22. Find directories on the web server using GoBuster. What is in the hidden directory? We know that's panel now. User text. And then our SUID bit with permissions. There you go. That's a little hint for you guys, like right there. Find a form to escalate. Search for GTFO bins, right? So he does tell us to go ahead and look at permissions, everything like that. It gives us a way to be able to look at permissions and stuff. But right now we're just going to run limpies and see what we can find within limpies to allow us to do a privilege escalation. And we'll go from there. Did just do a video also on why Telnet was bad. So that one should be coming out probably in August sometime. So, and actually looking at as Telnet moves across the network, what you can actually see and stuff like that. This guy is taking a while for him to actually work and get that limpies and find it. But be assured that yes, if you run limpies, Python will be, there you go. User bin Python saying, hey, there's something wrong there. You actually see it a couple times on here, but they're saying that, hey, there's a problem here. We shouldn't be able to run that, and there's a privilege escalation for that. So we were able to escalate our privileges using Python, and that's a pretty easy one, like right there. That box was really easy. It's a good box, especially for beginners and stuff like that. So if you're able to follow along, especially for a beginner, good job, and I hope you learned something. And that should be just about it for today. Can't think of any other ones that we would do for today, but that would be about it. So if you have any boxes that you want to see me do on either Try Hack Me or or Proving Ground, some of that, just let me know. I know that I did Year of the Rabbit, talked about doing Year of the Fox. Year of the Fox is a lot of brute forcing, and it takes a lot of time. So it's just a lot of waiting for something to be brute forced, which is not the funnest videos to make. So you guys probably get bored watching it. I get bored doing it. So yeah, that was one thing. Like, well, should I even really make a video on this because of how long the brute forcing takes, the process and everything? So probably not gonna do Year of the Fox. But if there's anything else you guys want to see, let me know, and I will work on those. Alright? And that is about it, so have a good night, And yeah, I'll see you guys later.